Do brood parasites ever help their host? Have you ever wondered if brood parasites might actually lend a helping hand to their unsuspecting hosts? Brood parasitism is a fascinating behavior in the bird world. In this strategy, one bird species, known as the parasite, lays its eggs in the nests of another species, called the host. The host then ends up raising the parasite's chicks, often at a high cost to themselves. Typically, this relationship is quite one-sided. The host birds invest their time and resources into feeding and caring for the chicks that are not their own. This can lead to a situation where the host's own offspring suffer due to the demands of raising the parasite chicks. However, there are some rare cases where brood parasites might actually benefit their hosts. Take, for example, certain bird species found in Central America, like Caciques and Oropendolas. In these cases, a giant cowbird chick, which is a brood parasite, can actually help the host chicks. How does this happen? The cowbird chicks consume botfly larvae that could infest and harm the host chicks. By doing this, they provide a form of pest control within the nest. This unique interaction suggests that, under specific ecological conditions, the presence of a brood parasite can improve the survival chances of the host's own chicks. Despite this interesting twist, brood parasitism is generally a costly relationship for host birds. Over time, hosts have developed various defenses against brood parasites. They may recognize and reject foreign eggs or aggressively defend their nests to prevent parasitic laying. These behaviors show that the usual dynamic is one of conflict, not cooperation. From the perspective of the brood parasite, this strategy is all about maximizing reproductive success by outsourcing parental care. While there might be rare instances where hosts gain a small benefit, such as the removal of harmful pests, this does not outweigh the overall burden of raising chicks that are not their own. In summary, while brood parasites rarely help their hosts, there are exceptional cases where they can provide indirect benefits, like reducing harmful parasites in the nest. However, the overall relationship remains exploitative, with hosts investing heavily to raise young that belong to another species.